Today, ladies and gentlemen, is a historic day for the Indian financial sector. After more than a decade, we have a new private bank taking birth, Bandhan, the bank with a heart, committed to serve those who do not have access to the formal banking services. A very proud moment for us all. As with auspicious occasions, we begin by invoking blessings from the divine powers for a very good beginning.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
This is a great day of my life. It is indeed rare to honor and a privilege to welcome such an august gathering in the momentous occasion. The birth of a new bank in India after more than a decade, and the first Eastern India after independence. Hundreds of my borrower, তারা গ্রাম থেকে এসছেন, যারা আমার দিদি এবং মা, যারা এই সংস্থাকে এই পর্যায়ে নিয়ে আসার জন্য আমাকে সহযোগিতা করেছেন, তারা ইংরেজি বুঝতে পারবেন না বলে আমি বাংলায় কিছুটা বললাম। আমি আপনাদের কাছে কৃতজ্ঞ। I am also grateful to them who are my ground level credit officer. They also attend in this program along with all the delegates. So without your effort and hard work, it is not possible to success in here. Life has started 2001 as a microcredit organization named Bandhan to give the small loan to the poor people. But I have not any dream to become a bank. We started dreaming it when I feel that the poor people are not getting access the credit from formal financial institution. They are fully depend on high-cost traditional money lender. And opportunities has come to my hand when I saw that in the February 2010, the finance minister in that time, Sri Pranab Mukherjee, declared it, new bank license will be given. And RBI have been opened that store, and I started my process to become a bank. We are a universal bank, and we will have an equal respect of our customer, big and small. Today, all of us in the Bandhan family are rededicating ourselves to fulfill the demand of every Indian. Banking as a fundamental right. Trust you us. We are committed to user in a new era in Indian bank. Join with us, help us to success as a best bank in the world. Thank you to all of you. Listen to me.
I'd like to request the Honorable Union Minister for Finance, Mr. Arun Jaitley, to please launch the Bandhan Bank by clicking on this iPad.
Welcome to the new dawn. Risen to touch 1 billion lives. Welcome to Bandhan Bank. आपका भला सबकी भलाई.
What a pleasure and what an honor for me to be here with the Union Finance Minister to see this happen. Well, the origin began in Bagnan. Many people would not have ever heard. Here comes Chandrasekhar Ghosh with 3 staff members from a little place called Bagnan, which is now under Howrah district. And what does he do? He grows to cater to 3,44,346 groups of borrowers. That's 344,346 groups of borrowers, 35,156 villages, over 6 million women, probably now nearing 7 million from the numbers I just saw on the film, with 18,500 in workforce. Remarkable. And a loan book, and correct me if my figures are wrong, 10,240 crores loan book. And of course, the most important, সবচেয়ে বড় কথা, repayment record of 99%. 99%, ladies and gentlemen. What is Bengal's credit deposit ratio today? 67.52%. India's credit deposit ratio is 78.96%. Will the Bandhan Bank, Mr. Chandrasekhar, push the credit deposit ratio to at least the India average and this whole region? That's the challenge. Agri loans, target set by the banks, 59% has been achieved. I'm hoping Bandhan Bank will push the frontiers on agricultural lending, as you said in your opening statement. And of course, MSME lending. We are 92% of the target met. We'd like to see that grow. And of course, Bandhan Bank, I hope, will raise this bar much above the current targets of the banks at the state level banking committee.
Bandhan is being born at a very challenging time for the Indian economy and Indian banking sector in particular. We know banking sector has to meet the rising requirements of an economy which is moving fast towards a higher growth trajectory. So what are the challenges and what way Bandhan can contribute to that? First and foremost, because given their focus particularly on the low income side and the disadvantaged side and make the banking profitable is the products. I'm sure Bandhan is to go open up new horizons for the banking in India. Punascha Abhinandan, Dhanyavad.
Today indeed is a very pleasant occasion to celebrate. A great institution is being born in West Bengal. But I think what is most important is the birth of a Bangla entrepreneur. Which is of utmost importance for the revival and growth of the fundamentals of the state of West Bengal. Bandhan has had an early start as a microfinance institution. Small entrepreneurs, even if they are funded with little amounts, they are able to generate a lot of economic activity. Let me wish both the state of West Bengal and the Bandhan Bank all the very best. I have no doubt that the bank will be of great service to the state of West Bengal in particular and to this country in general. My best wishes to the bank on this inauguration. Thank you.
Bandhan has been launched today, and we are greatly encouraged by your presence. Bandhan means a tie, a link, a togetherness, and that's what this bank is all about. It is a bold attempt at tying up those who have the money with those who need them. Those who need them as loans and seed capital, particularly those at the bottom of the income spectrum. With all of us together, we hope to make today the beginning of a glorious journey. Thank you once again for gracing the occasion.